Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we're exploring the intriguing psychology facts about the law of attraction, the belief that our thoughts and feelings can manifest events, circumstances, and people in our lives. Intrigued? Let's dive in and uncover the science behind this fascinating concept. 1. Thoughts shape reality. First up, did you know your thoughts can shape your reality? Studies suggest a phenomenon known as cognitive embodiment, where your mental representations can directly influence your physical experiences. Imagine the power this gives you over your own life. 2. The confirmation bias. Next, we have confirmation bias, a mental shortcut where we favor information that confirms our existing beliefs and dismiss anything that contradicts. This plays a significant role in the law of attraction, creating a loop where our beliefs and experiences constantly reinforce each other. 3. Visualization enhances performance. Research indicates that visualizing a desired outcome can actually improve your performance, increasing the likelihood of achieving your goals. Law of attraction practitioners use visualization techniques to focus their thoughts, thereby enhancing their chances of success. 4. Positive self-talk increases confidence. Here's an interesting fact. Engaging in positive self-talk can boost self-esteem, reduce stress, and increase motivation. So, by channeling positivity, you're empowering yourself to attract better outcomes. 5. Emotional magnetism. Fact number 5 is emotional magnetism, the idea that our emotional state can attract or repel others. Positive emotions draw positive experiences, while negative emotions can have the opposite effect. 6. The power of affirmations. Regularly practicing affirmations can rewire our brain, altering thought patterns and promoting positive change. This aligns with the law of attraction, making it easier to attract desired events and relationships. 7. Social connection and interdependency. We humans are social beings. Our relationships can reinforce our beliefs and values, attracting situations that align with our desires. 8. The role of gratitude. Gratitude isn't just for Thanksgiving. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude enhances our overall well-being and positivity, which influences the law of attraction and increases our capacity to attract more desired experiences. 9. Reciprocity and the law of attraction. Kindness begets kindness. This concept of reciprocity strongly aligns with the law of attraction. When we give love and support, we often receive it in return, creating a cycle of positive energy. 10. Synchronicity and serendipity. Finally, the law of attraction often manifests through synchronicity and serendipitous events. Seemingly unrelated elements align to create desired outcomes, serving as evidence that our thoughts and emotions significantly impact our reality. That wraps up our exploration of the psychological facts about the law of attraction. With these techniques like visualization, positive self-talk, and gratitude, you can greatly enhance your ability to attract desired events, situations, and relationships. Remember to envision your dreams and maintain a positive outlook, because the law of attraction can be a powerful force in shaping your reality. Thanks for watching.